Hello guys, welcome once again back to my channel. Today I'm going to be providing you with some genuine reviews about this new microwave oven of Dawlance model MD7, and it looks a pretty neat model to me. And the box is still packed up. I bought it from the local market and it got a 1 year's warranty and pure black color. So the box is still sealed. Let's open it up. So the microwave is pretty good. State is in good state. It's packed pretty well with packing material, thermopole. Also covered in plastic sheets to, I think, make it waterproof during the storage period. Let's just take this one out of the box. So the microwave is now out of the box, and let's open it up for the first time. So it's pretty neatly packed, I think, using plastic sheets and all of this stuff to protect the glass and to protect the body. And so what do we got in here? Okay, we've got some magical microwave recipes. We've got a warranty card, yeah, and we've got an instructions manual. We're gonna put them aside for a bit. And what do we have in there? Here's the rotating plate, packed pretty neatly in the packing material again. Okay, now I have adjusted the plate, cooking plate in it, and very tidy room in there. So this model has got 20 liters capacity. It has got rotating dials and some preset timers for different recipes. The front plate is I think mixed glass and plastic, and top and sidebar covers are totally, I think, steel. And yeah, I think this model works fine on 220 volts to 440 volts. And for small family, I think, for small kitchen, this model is a perfect choice. But for bigger plates and bigger kitchenware, you might like 40 liters microwave ovens. And so this one is compact, useful for single people and small families, and it's totally recommended. It comes with 1 year local warranty. And yeah, let's go cooking.